Hi, Christy here from Federal Brace, and today we are introducing our new stud-mounted shelf rod and stud-mounted shelf bracket. These new shelf brackets are designed to be mounted directly to the wall studs and have a carrying capacity of 100 pounds each. Stud-mounted shelf rods come in two sizes, 8 inches by 4 inches and 12 inches by 4 inches. The usable rod lengths are 6 inches or 10 inches and are only a ½ inch tall. Stud-mounted shelf brackets come in two sizes, 8 inches by 2 inches and 12 inches by 4 inches. The usable arm lengths are 6 inches or 10 inches and are only 0.875 of an inch tall. These brackets will support extremely low profile shelves. Let's take a look at how they're installed. Thank you for watching. For more product information and innovations from Federal Brace, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We will see you next time.